Okay, now you pull the head bolts off. Got my nice new long ratchet. I like this thing. Give you enough leverage, you can do something. Okay, covered our little mini. Go between your fingers like that. Close to the frame there, you have to stop at some point. Okay, those are out. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Same as the other one. It's about the same condition. Not blacker though. See, this is all full of oil and stuff on this one. This one's carbon. Some oil, but mainly a lot of carbon from fuel. This is all wet, so it's oil. So the rings aren't working very good on this cylinder. See the high pressure mark there, the bolt was. See how wet the piston is compared to the other one? So, nice. The gasket appears to be good though. Everybody picks on paper gaskets. Working just fine. Those rings sure as hell weren't though. They've seen better days. Okay. Up in here, stuff our rag in there again. Never know, I've had broken rings come out before. In the front of that hole either. Rings definitely have tension on them. They just weren't working. As I said, they weren't broken in yet. No, they just were not sealing yet. They probably never will seal. Now we have the same problem we had before. We don't have enough room to get this thing out of here. Okay, there's our low spot right there, and it's not going to make it. Trying. Maybe the other side, maybe. If I had more clearance in the stud, I was going to move it, spin it around until I got to the cutout of the cylinder there. And it worked. The dowel pin's a little loose. Not a good sign. Okay, this cylinder here is very shiny again, like before. Super shiny. I think I just put new rings on top of the old bore and never did anything about honing it. It's not seized or anything, the rings just didn't work. No worky ringies. So, that's a problem. Camera to work where I can get to it. Gaskets look good again. Piston looks really good. No damage to it. Just the rings weren't working. Now these rings don't have as much carbon on them like the other one, but I think it's because they're washed. It definitely wasn't sealing for squat. Okay, we can use our pick again, screwdriver. Cover up the hole over there again. This one's coming off the other direction. Once you get to start and come off, just kind of work it around. Just the opposite of putting it in. Comes right out, nice and easy. Reuse it again. Okay, it's going to beat this one out. See if it comes out any easier. Nope. Beat the tar out of it again. So same thing, you gotta hold it with one hand, beat it with the other. The outside came out a little easier there, but everything looks okay. It just needs to be honed out for looser fit. Why is it so tight? Who knows? Collapsed, whatever. You can see the burnt oil on the side of the piston here, and it's all washed away. Pouring by the damn piston. Alright. Top end is off. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Nice and loose, it's good. Not that loose, but better than being tight. Sure shakes a lot though. I think I forgot to balance it. Can't see much oil's down in there. Okay, well, there you go. She's apart. Okay, back in a minute.